next boundary we want to push is to take our music, our performances into more global collaborations, hopefully. And, combine OPM sa mga ibang world genres para makakreate tayo ng bago and para mapakita natin na, ay, ito pala yung kayang gawin ng isang Filipino group, diba? And yun po, well, Filipino music deserves to be celebrated naman, not just here in the Philippines, but also sa ibang bansa.
As a group, siguro yung NFT concert po namin kasi yun yung first ever concert po namin and parang medyo nangangapa pa po kami nun and di namin akalain na may ganung klaseng support na meron kami with our blooms. And yes, three consecutive days yung concert na yun. So very grateful and unforgettable po yung araw na yun.
An orchestra group that represents the youth, and I think it's very inspirational that they are representing the youth and they're hardworking. They bring a different flavor to our song, and it was just such a blessing for us to work with them.
Actually, this is not the first time na makaka-work namin sila kasi nakasama na po namin sila sa mini concert namin, our very own concert. It's a full circle moment for all of us.
Pagdating sa ganitong klaseng music, once night po is we're allowed to point out. May mga feedback kami, tinitake nila yung feedback namin, and pwede po kami mag-write ng all lyrics, nagaya po na itong Oxygen. Yung one of the members ko yung nagsulat ng rap. So, very collaborative po, and na-amaze po kami kay Sir Tyro kasi grabe yung gumalaw yung utak niya para gumawa ng isang magandang song talaga. Biglaan makakaisip siya ng ad-lib and then ilalagay niya sa song. So, sobrang bilis.